Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic: make a meaningful phrase. Page number 9. Name each picture and use it to make a meaningful phrase. Some useful words have been given. Tree. A big, old, tall tree. A big, old, tall tree. Elephant. A big, old, strong elephant. A big, old, strong elephant. Wall. A dirty, long wall. A dirty, long wall. Mango. A green, ripe mango. A green, ripe mango. Umbrella. A beautiful, big, red umbrella. A beautiful, big, red umbrella. Pillow. A beautiful, soft, pink pillow. A beautiful, soft, pink pillow. Coffee. A hot, tasty coffee. A hot, tasty coffee. Socks. A blue, new socks. A blue, new socks. Fish. An orange, fat fish. An orange, fat fish. Biscuit. A tasty, crunchy biscuit. A tasty, crunchy biscuit.